Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 2 8mm screws, 2 captive screws, and 2 5mm screws. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Prop the palmrest up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Gently insert the opener pick between the LCD module and the back cover and slide along the edges to pop the LCD module free. Lay the LCD module down. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the module. Peel back the tape and unplug the gyro sensor. Unwind the cable from the grooves and remove the LCD module. Replace the module and replace the cable back into its grooves. Try to get it in as tight as possible so that you have room to maneuver the cable later when you need to plug the LCD module in. Plug the LCD cable into the module. And plug in the gyro sensor. You're going to want to slide the 2 tabs on the LCD module underneath the rim on the back cover. Push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the Palmrest. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Lay the Palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 8mm screws, the two 5mm screws, and tighten the two captive screws in the bottom cover.